Hello, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to the day 2 of the listen and practice session. Come on, let's get started. What's your name? Where are you from originally? What do you do for work or study? That sounds interesting. How long have you been doing that? Do you enjoy it? What do you like most about it? I'd love to hear more about your experience. I'm trying to improve my English speaking skills. I practice every day to become more fluent. It's nice to meet someone new to talk with. I hope we can talk again sometime. How's your day going so far? Did you do anything interesting today? How was your weekend? What do you usually do in your free time? Have you been busy lately? That sounds like a busy schedule. I can relate to that. Same here, I've been quite busy too. Time really flies, doesn't it? It's nice to take a break sometimes. The weather has been really nice lately. I prefer sunny days over rainy ones. Do you like this kind of weather? What kind of weather do you enjoy the most? Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please. A table for two, if possible. Do you have any tables available right now? Could we sit near the window? What do you recommend from the menu? That sounds delicious, I'll try that. I'll have the same, please. Could we get some water for the table? Everything looks amazing here. Could we get the bill, please? The food was really good. I really enjoyed this meal. The service was excellent. We'll definitely come back again. Excuse me, could you help me for a moment? I need some assistance, please. I'm trying to find this place. Could you show me on the map? I'm a bit confused, can you explain again? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. I'm not sure what I should do next. Could you guide me step by step? Hi, I'm just looking around, thank you. Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color? How much does this cost? Is there any discount on this item? I'll take this one, please. Can I pay by card? Could I get a receipt, please? That's a bit expensive for me. I'll think about it and come back later. Today was quite a busy day for me. I woke up early and started my work. I had a lot of tasks to complete. I felt a bit tired in the afternoon. I took a short break and felt better. I managed to finish all my work. I'm happy with what I achieved today. Tomorrow I plan to be more productive. Some days are easy, some days are challenging. But I try to stay positive every day. I feel really happy today. I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay. I feel excited about the future. I'm feeling a little stressed right now. I think I need some rest. I feel more confident than before. I'm proud of my progress. I feel motivated to keep learning. I'm a little nervous, but I'll try my best. I feel calm and relaxed now. What are you doing this weekend? Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Would you like to go out sometime? Let's meet for coffee sometime. I'm free in the afternoon. That time works for me. Let's decide on a time and place. I'll confirm with you later. Looking forward to it. See you then. I completely agree with you. That makes perfect sense. I see your point. I understand what you mean. I agree to some extent. I'm not sure I agree with that. I see it differently. I respect your opinion, but I think differently. That's an interesting point of view. Let's agree to disagree. It was nice talking to you. I really enjoyed our conversation. Let's talk again soon. Take care and have a great day. I should get going now. I have to leave, but we'll talk later. See you next time. Stay in touch. Goodbye and take care. Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime when we are free. Let's hang out sometime and catch up. See you then. See you then, take care. See you then, I'm looking forward to it. Maybe another time. Maybe another time when I'm free. I can't today, maybe another time. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea, but thank you. It's not really my cup of tea, to be honest. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not a big fan of that kind of thing. I'm not a big fan of that, but I understand why others like it. I don't really like that. I don't really like that, but it's okay. I don't really like that kind of activity. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure, let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about it for a moment. Let me think about it and get back to you. Beats me. Beats me, I have no idea. Beats me, I really don't know. I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that later. I'll get back to you once I find out. I'll have a coffee, please. I'll have a coffee, please, thank you. I'll have a coffee and maybe something to eat. Could I get the check, please? Could I get the check when you have time? Could I get the check, please, thank you. Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any recommendations for something good? Do you have any recommendations for beginners? That looks delicious. That looks really delicious. That looks delicious, I'd love to try it. Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go, please? Can I get this to go or take away? Excuse me, how do I get to the library? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the library? Excuse me, how do I get to the nearest library? Is it far from here? Is it far from here or nearby? Is it far from here, or can I walk there? Could you point me in the right direction? Could you point me in the right direction, please? Could you help me find the right way? I think I'm lost. I think I'm lost, can you help me? I think I'm lost, I don't know where I am. Which way is downtown? Which way is downtown from here? Which way should I go to reach downtown? Where can I buy a ticket? Where can I buy a ticket for the bus? Where can I buy a ticket around here? What time does the bus leave? What time does the bus leave from here? What time does the next bus leave? I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in for my trip. I'd like to check in, please, here is my ID. Is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here that I can use? Is there free Wi-Fi available here? I need help. I really need help right now. I need help, please, it's urgent. My phone battery is dead. My phone battery is completely dead. My phone battery is dead, and I can't call anyone. Can I borrow your phone, please? Can I borrow your phone for a minute? Can I borrow your phone to make a call? Catch you later. Catch you later, take care. Catch you later, have a great day. Take it easy. Take it easy and relax. Take it easy, don't stress too much. See you later. See you later, take care. See you later, talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Take care. Have a good one. Enjoy your day. I try to speak clearly even when I feel nervous. I remind myself that confidence comes with practice. I focus on expressing my ideas instead of being perfect. I try to speak slowly so that others can understand me better. I practice speaking every day to build fluency. I don't let fear stop me from speaking English. I accept my mistakes and learn from them. I try to sound natural when I speak. I listen carefully before I respond. I think in English as much as possible. I try to form complete sentences when I speak. I avoid using my native language while practicing English. I repeat sentences to improve my pronunciation. I record my voice to hear my mistakes. I try to improve my accent step by step. I speak even when I am not fully confident. I try to stay calm while speaking. I focus on communication, not perfection. I express my thoughts in simple English. I try to enjoy the learning process. I usually start my day with a positive mindset. I try to stay productive throughout the day. I manage my time carefully to complete my tasks. I try to balance work and relaxation. I stay focused on my goals. I avoid distractions while working. I take short breaks to refresh my mind. I try to stay organized in everything I do. I reflect on my day before going to sleep. I always try to improve myself. In my opinion, this is a great idea. I strongly believe that practice is important. I think this method works very well. I feel that consistency is the key to success. I personally prefer simple methods of learning. I agree with this point of view. I completely agree with your opinion. I partially agree with what you said. I'm not sure I agree with that. I don't think that's the best option. I believe there are better ways to solve this problem. I think we should consider other options. I feel that this is not very effective. I understand your point, but I disagree. I see your perspective, but I think differently. Could you explain that again in a simpler way? Could you please speak a little more slowly? Would you mind repeating that one more time? Can you give me an example of that? What do you mean by that exactly? How does this work in real life? Why do you think that is important? What is your opinion about this topic? How can I improve my skills faster? What would you recommend for beginners? I would like to book a table for 2 people. I would like to make a reservation for tonight. Could you please help me with this problem? I need some assistance with this task. I am looking for a place to stay. Can you suggest a good restaurant nearby? I would like to order something delicious. Can you recommend a popular dish? I would like to try something new today. I am interested in learning more about this. I try to think positively in every situation. I learn something new every day. I try to improve little by little. I reflect on my mistakes and grow from them. I stay motivated even when things are hard. I believe in myself and my abilities. I trust the process of learning. I keep moving forward no matter what. I stay patient with my progress. I celebrate small achievements. I have many goals that I want to achieve. I work hard to reach my dreams. I stay focused on my long-term goals. I try to improve my skills every day. I believe hard work leads to success. I want to become more confident in English. I plan to speak English fluently in the future. I want to travel and communicate with people worldwide. I aim to build a better future for myself. I never give up on my dreams. Great job today. If you stayed until the end, you are already improving your English. Remember, consistency is the key. Practice a little every day, and you will see big results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow and easy English practice. Tell me in the comments, how was your practice today? Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Take care and keep going.